Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Toyota Tacoma. This two-door truck has a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 133,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, body side reinforcements, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, and wireless data link.